Hello everyone and welcome back to Crypto Premier YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to review another awesome and a very amazing product. I had made the first video about this product as well. You can check it out as well. The product is SATO Token. So in this video we will check out a recent partnerships with many footballers as well as Vision Football Club. So we will check it into the video, but before going further into the video I am going to give you a small disclaimer that I am not a financial advisor, so do your own research as well. This video is for educational purposes. So coming back to the website, you can check out SATO Token built on the base chain. You can check out the social media handles are given here. So let's give a small introduction. Again, SATO is decentralized meme coin born on base network and originally launched with minimal utility beyond its meme value. After a product period of abandonment by the original developers, the product was revived by a passionate community of holders who refused to let SATO fade into the obscurity. So now you can check out the details are given here. So currently the team has done a partnership of endorsement for Vision Football Association. So let's search Vision Football Association onto the YouTube and onto the Google, and you can check out its sports club in England. You can check out the address, phone number as well as the details are given here. So this is really a big partnership. Also they had signed a partnership with ex Birmingham footballers FC players, which is Troy Denny, and another footballer which is Harley Dean. So let's first check out Harley Dean. Harley James Dean is an English footballer, professional footballer who plays as a central back, most recently for EEL League One club reading. So he's a now official partner of SATO Token. So this is really a big partnership. Also if you search Troy Deeney, you can check out Troy Deeney Matthews is an English professional footballer who plays as a striker. So he's also part of the SATO Token. So this is really some big news. So the team of SATO Token is working really hard onto this amazing product, and they are doing some amazing partnerships. So make sure you check out this amazing product. The contract address has been shown here. You can get it onto the Uniswap. Check out the CoinGecko as well as Coin Market Cap, and details are given here. Also I want to tell you that they had done a partnership with a big charity in Puerto Rico, a charity called the SATO Project Helps Dogs Rescue. So if you are a dog lover, you can join this project as well, because they are rescuing the dogs as well. Also you coming back to the site, you can check out the gallery, NFT feature, and much more are given here. So guys, make sure to join the social media handles, because the team is working hard for the product and doing multiple partnerships as well. So you can expect solid returns from this product as well. Also make sure to do some on research as well. I will meet you soon. So till then, take care and have a nice day.